Clearing the atmosphere, a guide to harmonious communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's both powerful and intriguing. Clear the atmosphere. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to describe the act of resolving tension or misunderstanding in a relationship or situation. Let's explore how this phrase can be a key to better communication and understanding. Clear the atmosphere metaphorically refers to the action of removing any form of tension, misunderstanding, or negativity that may be lingering in a social setting or between individuals. Just like clearing the air of pollutants makes it fresher and healthier to breathe, addressing and resolving issues makes a relationship or environment more positive and harmonious. This phrase is particularly useful in scenarios where there has been a disagreement, a misunderstanding, or an uncomfortable situation. Here are a few examples. After a heated argument, a couple decides to talk things over calmly to clear the atmosphere. In a team meeting, addressing unresolved issues to clear the atmosphere can lead to more productive collaboration. The key to effectively clearing the atmosphere involves open communication, honesty, and the willingness to address and resolve the issues at hand. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, here are a few sentences. After our disagreement, we had a long chat to clear the atmosphere, and now everything feels back to normal. The team leader called for a meeting to clear the atmosphere after noticing the rising tension among team members. These examples showcase how the phrase is used in different contexts to signify the resolution of tension or conflict. We hope this video has shed some light on the expression, clear the atmosphere, and how it can be used to foster better relationships and environments by addressing and resolving tension. Remember, communication is key. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more learning content. Happy learning!